everyone, good morning. I'm going to tell you today one topic which most of the comment I'm getting from my YouTube video. So it's been 1 year in Dubai since I came here in Dubai. So if you have also question, you can just comment there and send me on Instagram. So the question is what is the process after getting job in Dubai? Like what is the document process? What you need to do after getting job offer from Dubai? So first company will give you the offer letter. So that offer letter address you can verify the official company website. Like in the offer letter they will put the company address and emails. These things if you go the company website in the bottom about section, so you'll get these details. So these details you can verify from there, so it will be good. After that comes to the document. So they will ask some document like passport, your education attested document. So how you can attest document? So if you are in India and your document is not attested, like you need to attest it. So for that you can do by yourself also if you have that much connection, and if you don't have, because mostly if you get the offer letter, so they need a document within a week. So for that what you can do, there is some services that you can take. For that you need to pay around less than 20,000 and 12 or more than that. So you need to pay that one, and they will take care all the things. Like you just need to send your document to them, and after that all the process they will do, because they have some already connections. So that process it will be easy. So that both documentation attestation you got done. After that you need to send those documents to the here in Dubai to your HR. After once they will get that, they will apply for your visa. So after the applying they will get one more certificate and one offer letter. So two documents they will send you for the sign up. Once you given that sign up, then they will apply for the government, and then within 20 days you will get your visa. So you'll get two documents which for sign up. In that also you need to check all the details, because all that is working hours, salary, everything will be mentioned there. So later if you get any problem and you are showing to government, so these things only you need to get into. So just check, verify these condition is apply for you or not, then only sign up and then send to the HR. So this is done. After this you will get e-visa. Okay, the company will provide you e-visa, and then they will mostly book your flight also. If they are not booking, you need to book, and after that you need to come to the airport and take the flight. So flight also there also for checking immigration, you'll get some normal questions why you are going there, and you need to show your e-visa. So once you reach in Dubai, you need to go within a week for medical test. Once the medical test is done, that time only you have to go to the finger scanning. After that only they will issue the your Emirates ID, which is very important document. This park area, so you can see this is the park. And morning I used to come here, but nowadays I'm not getting time in the morning to come here, so I'm coming mostly in evening. Today is weekend, so that's why I came in the morning. But literally this park is very good. It feels like India. They will apply for your visa. That time you can check that visa is stated by your passport number from the smart service. And yeah, you will get the details of the what is the visa status, is approved or not. So accordingly you can book your flight. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have also any question, you just comment below, and I'm going to make a series to give the answer to all the questions which you are going to ask. And all the best for your job, and if you come to Dubai, just comment below, we'll meet soon. Thank you so much.